Express 7 cos x plus 3 sin x in the form of r cos x minus alpha, where r is greater than 0 and alpha is between 0 and pi by 2, given the exact value of r and the value of alpha correct to 3 significant figures. Give details of a sequence of 2 transformation which maps the curve y is equal to sec x onto the curve y is equal to 1 over 7 cos x plus sin x. Okay, so this is sort of standard bookwork. R will be 7 squared plus 3 squared, and that gives you the square root of 58. Because we want cos A minus B, that's cos A, cos B, sin A, sin B. So the 7 has to represent cos, the 3 has to represent sin. So cos is adjacent, so this one would have to be 7, and the opposite would have to be 3. The hypotenuse would be root 58, and then we can do the alpha will be tan to the minus 1 of 3 over 7, which gives you 0.4048. You have to use your calculator in radian mode. So we've got all the information we need. This will be the square root of 58 cos of x minus 0.405. It's important that you get these angles around the right way. Right, we now got to give details of how we're going to move this from sec x. So it's 1 over 7 cos x, 3 sin x. Well, that will be 1 over root 58 cos of x minus 0.405. But 1 over cos is sec, so this will be 1 over root 58 sec of x minus 0.405. Well, this is a translation. This bit here is a translation 0.450. It's a translation this way. It's going to go towards the right, and then this represents a stretch. Parallel to the y-axis, stretch factor will be 1 over root 58. Okay, so this has been a video to show you how to find a r cos, write a function as r cos, and then use it to represent some transformations. I hope you understood, and I thank you very much for watching.